So I committed a felony. I drove without a license under the age of 17, legally. Just watch and see what happens.
Right then, to make this nice and easy to start with, if I do the pedals to start with, you can do all the steering and the looking, just whilst we get going, and then we'll bring the pedals in once we get moving.
Boring!
We're going to be turning right. Now, when you want to turn right, the first thing we need to do is check what's behind. So we'll check the rear view mirror. Anyone behind?
No.
Now we'll check the right mirror. Any cyclists? Any cars? Any old people on scooters? Now we're going to let them know we're turning right. We're going to give us a little click up, so the arrow flashes. We're going to look left and right, a bit like when you're crossing a busy road. Yeah, looking left and right. We're like you're watching a tennis match. So we've got a manual gearbox, so without touching the gas, the engine just pushes you along. Here we're just going to follow this around to the left. It doesn't stop, it stays at 5 miles an hour, and it doesn't stall. Do you know what that means when it stalls?
When it just like stays still.
Pretty much, when the engine cuts out, you have to restart the engine. Now we're straight, we can straighten the wheels, and we'll give it a little squeeze on the gas again, nice and light. So we do the one steer.
That was a one steer.
A quick steer to straighten. Well, so now we said about at the start of the lesson when we did all the checks about learning some funny little sayings.
Yeah.
I've got one for you now, ready? When the combs disappear, we can start to steer. Well done. Perfect. Well done, mate. Nice steering. Then just little steers to tidy it up. Same again. The same for about 10 or 12 miles now. We've got a few parked cars down this. End of the road, we're going to be turning left. So the examiner's watching you again. Signal on. A little bit down. We're going to pretend we've got an old lady crossing the road. Right, going to bingo. I'm going to let her cross. Now keeping the clutch down. You're not bringing it up just yet, that's right. If you keep the clutch down, you can restart the engine for you. So just twist the key forwards. Imagine that old lady's just crossed the road. On the way to bingo. And we're going to very slowly and gently, as soft as you can, just take a few seconds to lift it smoothly up. Oh, look at the smoothness, that's perfect.
Smooth to the touch.
Do you want to do that again?
Okay.
Clutch fully down to the floor, keep it down because we've got an old van across the road. Now it's very busy at bingo. Oh, you're just showing off there, look at that, perfect. Nice. How's it looking? Is it clear to go?
No.
Well done.
It's a sharp turn. Just a little bit.
Yeah, some of these right turns are quite sharp, aren't they? It's a complete 90-degree turn. So how do you know that car's in reverse gear?
Because they're moving backwards.
Reversing lights.
Oh, right, okay.
Is that car still waiting for us?
Yeah.
Now as we get into the bay, you'll see, keep the steering right as you're going to see the lines appear in your door mirrors. If you look in this left mirror, can you see the yellow line in here?
Yeah.
When you think it looks straight, you can straighten the wheels. Well done. And now you can keep the steering wheel straight and just cover your foot brake with your right foot on the middle pedal. And stop about there, that's about right now I'd say. Now keeping the foot brake down, because you don't want to come off the brake just yet, because we're going to roll backwards, you can put the handbrake on by pushing the button in, lifting it up, and then releasing the button. And now you can put the gear stick back into neutral, into the middle.
Do I have to lift it up?
Oh, you can do, it makes it a little bit easier. Perfect, and you can rest your feet and relax. We survived.